species. And they get jealous too, and they fall in love. And that's why he doesn't need a mate, because he loves them. He was hand-reared by a man who was a magician. He wanted a tame owl for his magic show. And what he didn't realise is if you hand-rear a baby owl, it grows up thinking it's a human. And it used to squawk at him all day and all night for food. They're relentless. And this man was getting earache, and he was in danger of getting an asthma from his neighbours, because they didn't like the rat. So we gave him to live. And I've had him for 25 years. But he could live 50 or 60 years. Can you turn your head round as far as that? Right, who else wanted to give him a little stroke? Right, you're next. Slowly. You know why his feathers are so soft?
Why? Yeah, because it's simple.
Because what?
Wait, is this
It's
nice
because when he flies, his feathers are so soft, he doesn't make any noise. An owl's hoot is much faster.